30 years after his wife's murder and almost 5 years after his exoneration for that crime, Michael Morton is back on the stand, this time here in Travis County. Morton testified today in Mark Norwood's second murder trial. Norwood is charged in the beating death of Deborah Masters Baker. Baker was killed in her Northwest Austin home in 1988, less than 2 years after Christine Morton's murder. Prosecutors say Norwood killed both women. KXAN's Brittany Glass has more.
August 13th, 1986, the day everything changed for the Morton family.
Something had happened to my wife. She had called, something's wrong, and so of all the bad things that could have happened, I didn't know if anything happened to my son.
Michael Morton testified about how he found out his wife, Christine, was murdered, hearing the news from the then Williamson County Sheriff.
And that's where he told me that Chris was dead. I asked him if it was murder, and he said it was.
A murder for which Michael Morton would wrongfully be convicted. In an effort to clear his name, Morton volunteered his blood and saliva for DNA testing.
Buccal swab was collected on August 16, 2007.
Yes, ma'am.
It wasn't until 2011 that DNA found at the Morton crime scene was linked to Mark Norwood.
The Christine Morton homicide does fit requirements of a signature crime.
Christine Morton and Deborah Baker were murdered 17 months apart. Both women found dead in their beds only 12 miles away.
And I could see a wrist and a pelvis.
The defense fought against bringing in the Morton evidence in the Baker trial, but lost.
And we would like the case to be about the Deborah Baker case, not a retrial of the Michael Morton case.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
It wasn't until January of 2010 that an appeals court ordered new DNA testing in the Morton murder. In October of 2011, Michael Morton was freed from prison after spending nearly 25 years behind bars for the crime. As Brittany mentioned, the DNA evidence was linked to Mark Norwood. He was arrested that November.